Given the circuit in figure, obtain the Norton equivalent as viewed from terminals AB and CD. Solution: for terminal AB, we will redraw the circuit first. Now we have to find Rn and In for terminal AB. So to find Rn, this will be Rn. To find Rn, we will turn off all the independent sources. This is a current source. This will be turned off and open circuited. This is a voltage source. This will be turned off and short circuited. Now, as we can see that this 6 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm. So 6 ohm parallel with 3 ohm will be 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. 6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. So it is 2 ohm. This will be 2 ohm. Now this 2 ohm is in series with this 2 ohm. So this will be total 4 ohm. And this 4 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm. So Rn is equal to 4 ohm parallel with 4 ohm. So 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. This will be 2 ohm. Therefore Rn is equal to 2 ohm. Next we have to find In. So to find In, we will short circuit the terminal AB. We will short circuit terminal AB and this will be In. Now, as we can see that this 4 ohm resistor is short circuited, so this will be erased. This forms a one single node. So this hole will form a single node from here to here. Let's say this is node V1. Now we can apply. Let's assume this is reference node. We will use nodal analysis to find the value of In. So apply KCL at node V1. Let's say this is current. This is current I1. This is current I2. And this is current I3. So applying KCL at node V1, summation of all the entering current. Entering current at this node is I1 plus 6. I1 plus 6 is equal to leaving current is I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. Now I1 is equal to 120 minus V1 by 6. 120 minus V1 by 6 plus 6 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus 0 by 3. V1 minus 0 by 3 plus I3. I3 is V1 minus 0 by 2. V1 minus 0 by 2. Now this will be 20 minus V1 by 6 plus 6 is equal to or minus V1 by 3 minus V1 by 2 is equal to 0. So this will be 20 plus 6 will be 26 and this will be minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1. Minus 1 V1 is equal to 0. So from this V1 is equal to 26 volt. What we have to find? We have to find the value of IN. Now IN is equal to, if we apply KCL at this node, if we apply KCL from this node, IN will be equal to, or entering current at this node is, let's say this is node A. Apply KCL at node A. Apply KCL at node A. So summation of all the entering current. Entering current at this node is I1. So I1 is equal to leaving current. Leaving current at this node is I2 plus IN. I2 plus IN. Now I1 is 120 minus V1 by 6. 120 minus V1 by 6 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus 0 by 3. V1 minus 0 by 3 plus IN. Now we have the value of V1 as 26 volt. So from this, 120 minus 26 by 6 is equal to V1, which is 26 by 3 plus IN. So from this, IN will be equal to, IN is equal to 120 minus 26 by 6 minus 26 by 3. So this is equal to 7. IN is equal to 7 ampere. Now we have the value of IN and RN. From this we can draw the Norton equivalent circuit. So Norton equivalent will be, for terminal A and B, this will be RN. This is terminal A, this is terminal B. This is IN. So IN is equal to 7 ampere and RN is equal to 2 ohm. This is for terminal AB. Now we have to find for terminal CD. So to find for terminal CD, we will find RN first for terminal CD. Now we will erase this. To find RN, we will write here. To find RN, we will turn off all the independent sources. So this will be turn off and open circuited. This will be turn off and short circuited. Now from CD, this will be 6 ohm parallel with 3 ohm. This will be, we have already calculated this. It is 2 ohm. So this will be 2 ohm. Now this 2 ohm in series with this 4 ohm. So this will be 6 ohm. So 6 ohm parallel with 2 ohm will be 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. This 6 ohm is in parallel with this 2 ohm. 6 into 2 divided by 6 plus 2. So it is 1.5. 1.5 ohm is the value of this RN. This will be RN. RN is equal to 1.5 ohm. Next we have to find IN. So to find IN, we will short circuit terminal CD. So this will be IN. Now this 2 ohm resistor is short circuited, so this will be erased. Now let's say this is node VA and this is node VB. This is reference node. So we will find, let's say this is I1, this is I2 and this is IN. So we will find IN using nodal analysis. So apply KCL at node VA. So entering current at this node is I1. Let's say this is current I3. So entering current at this node is I1. So I1 is equal to leaving current is I2 plus I3. I2 plus I3. So I1 is 120 minus VA by 6. 120 minus VA by 6 is equal to I2. I2 is VA minus 0 by 3. VA minus 0 by 3 plus I3. I3 is VA minus VB, or this VB is directly connected to ground. So this is equal to 0. So VA, this will be directly 0. So VA minus 0 by 4. So directly VA by 4. Now this will be 20 minus VA by 6 minus VA by 3 minus VA by 4 is equal to 0. So 20 is equal to, or 20 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So this will be minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. VA is equal to 0. So therefore 3 by 4 VA is equal to 20. So VA is equal to 20 into 4. 20 into 4 by 3. 20 into 4 divided by 3. So it is 26.6. 26.6 volt is the value of VA. We have to find IN. So IN is equal to, let's say this is node VB. If you apply KCL at node VB, then IN, this is node VB. So this will be, entering current at this node is I3 plus 6. I3 plus 6 is equal to IN. Now I3 is, I3 plus 6 is equal to IN. I3 is VA minus 0. This VB is 0. So VA minus 0 by 4. VA minus 0 by 4 plus 6 is equal to IN. And VA is equal to 26.6 divided by 4 plus 6 is equal to IN. So therefore IN is equal to 26.6 divided by 4 plus 6. So it is 12.65 ampere is the value of IN. Now we have the value of IN and RN. From this we can draw Norton equivalent circuit. So this will be RN. This is RN. This is terminal C and D. And this is IN. this is IN. RN is equal to 1.5 ohm, 1.5 ohm, and IN is equal to 12.65 ampere.